May gabi, everyone. Continuation game kita sa Silay City Hall versus Punong Garis nga naotod kagabi tungod sa inulan. Wala kita may mahimo, basta gaulan. Ano? Shout out, Cute Boys Photography! Shout out that, please like, share, and follow. Target lock ang lumpia kagabi ba? Good evening all. Friends, comment be, comment. 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 Comment sa live. Comment sa live. Hindi ba tiyo? Comment sa live. Comment sa live. Kaya wala naman comment. Hindi sabi nila ito.
Ball position for the Garis.
Ball possession, Punong Garis. 46-43. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45. Wala mo ako bigyan. Wala naman nagwa ang comment. Shout out Robin De Lima, mayong gabi. Good evening, madam. Shout out kay Boss Martin Gamboa, kay Renel Arazo, Andre Sigaton, dam. Shout out. Mayong gabi, Van Jatadero Lopez. Wala kagwa ang comment sa akon. Shout out. Dakay ba sa ball for City Hall, galit guys. Wala naman gagwa ang comments, gabi siya. Wala oh. City Hall ball, 46-43 para sa City Hall. Basket. Ay, dumaagaw pa.
Hey.
48-45. Pwede pa ulam ako cellphone na. Shout out Jelay Cascaro. Shout out Madam Daniela from Bragan. Go Puno from Karel Rodriguez Atadero. So shout out din ang ulam ako cellphone. Wala naman gagwa ang mga comments. Go Puno. Let's go Puno from Jelay. Thank you Lizelle Lizarre sa pagtag. Fight Puno 555. Nice was from Karel Rodriguez Atadero. Salamat. Salamat kay Cute Boys Photography sa mga ulam sa akong cellphone kaya wala gagwa ang comments. Good to Gasha! Excellent shot! 50-48 para sa Punong Garis. 5 minutes remaining. Thank you, Carol, sa 75 stars. Thank you so much. Shout out ko na kay number 15, Puno.
First personal foul.
Good evening, everyone from Northern. Ano na, salamat. Para sa Silay City Hall out of bounds. Time out for City Hall. Ano na? Nagawa na, ginreset. Go, go, Gary. Saling kay Norilyn Ducana. Spread the right. Punong waswas. Saling kay Carl Rodriguez. Salamat. 25 stars. 48-52. Para sa Punong Garis. Touchdown! Sa ito, oh. Wala pa. Ano pala game 3? Day 3. Day 3. Good evening. Let's go. City Hall from John Mark Baga. Pasensya, hindi lang ako medyo gabor. Kalaw ay kasignan. Shout out Dam Dumayo da Subong sa Jagane. Continuation game. Continuation game. Inagulan kagabi. Damo tawo! Nice block for Punong Garis. Shout out sa number 25, John Meg Juneo from Glory del Yames Juneo Calleado. Mayong gabi, mayong gabi. 48-52. Short. Steal. Five. Steal. There's a foul. Oh, Diyos ko, kagad ka. Dami yung gambal. Kay Boss Mark Penuela nga sure ball natin. Mga fourth quarter pa nasa kay second quarter so nagsugod ka lang. Basket! Ay free throw basket. 49-52 po ng Garis. Gani. Sadyang. Basket again. 50-52 para sa Puno.
3 minutes remaining now.
3 minutes remaining on the third quarter. Real tawag. Good game. Shout out kay Mark Penuela from Bragal. Na-concentrate sa sampang. Foul. Boss kita on kagida. Boss Mark from Mark Orosio. Ga-concentrate, hindi masabad. Oh, well, seryoso. Salavante on the free throw line, basket. 51-54. Second attempt. Basket again. 52-54 na score. Dua Barce. Punong Garis. Hey! Rebound for City Hall. Nakalapa. Was ako. Ay! Out of bounds. 2:20 remaining 20.
Second 14.
52-56 para sa Punong Garis. Ball, Senior! Steal! By Indonesia! Nice pass! Wait down, oy! 52-58. Go Garis from Northern Basket. 54-58 for Punong. Go Punong from Gabriel Rodriguez Atadero. And Kalecha for 3. Go! 61-54.
Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds.
1 minute 18. Wow, go Pastor! From Jala Castaro. 1 minute and 5 seconds. There's a foul. Hindi lang. Ball for Silio. Ari ko na plaza. Upod kami Joy from Alona. Uy! seconds remaining on the third quarter. 61-54 para sa Punong. Dali na! Kamu na na cheering squad ka po, no? 56-61. Time out para sa Punong Garis. 47 seconds remaining. Why be my signal? Pasensya guys. Sira i-reset lang kita. Free throw para sa Silay CTO. 57-61. Traveling. Time out for CTO. 57-61. Blur niya po. Pasensya guys, kung blurry, pasensya. Shout out France Castillo. Manula ang helmet ni Madam. Nagboro na ang video. Gani, kasabad wala may signal, oh. Out of bounds. 27 seconds remaining. Okay lang na madam, manuga lang na dugay, madam gon. Sa kung dipindi man blur kayo sa signal, dito. Oksang mas, dako na ni Japon nga pabor nga may live, madam, mga salamat kayo enjoy din mga viewers. Shout out madam kay John Louie Kagahuda.
4, 2,
basket. End of third quarter. 63-57 para sa Punong. End of our third quarter. May next game pa kita. Coffee Mots versus Trollers. Was Punong road to championship from Karel Rodriguez Atadero. Nagbay si Coach, grabe, ginang tumbo. Siya noon, championship, i-finalize pa na kay Asta na dapat subong. Pero nagulan, kagapon, so wala ka control. So, basta mga next week, para makapahuway, kag makapakondisyon ang mga championship. Fourth quarter. Good luck both teams from Linaha Benjamin. Nagchinilas gid na sa yaga niya. Fourth quarter, 57-63. 4 Punong. City of Flores Basket. 59-63. Shout out Day. Shout out Day. I miss you. We miss you. Ayaw kay madam. Thank you sa advance, madam. Mag-post na kami schedule para mag-finalize. Kaya base sa Jimmy Watton. Rebound for City Hall. 59-63 for Punong. Good day, madam. Shout out. Darrell Bidonia. Dali lang hindi ko makita. Rave Ace Bidonia, Ronnie Lobonda, JB Olivido, Rejan Pasiota, Jean Pabunda, Serdereño, Bidonia Kat, Shana Lazareno, Leonard Bidonia, Glenn Bidonia, watching now from Barangay Bateya, EB Magalona. Gusto ko si Don makita ganun katlumpat. Shout out, madam, kay Noel. Lumog na Mr. MVP. Ka-EB Magalona. May gabi, madam. Kami naman tabi. Last day na niya. Nalay matsyag yan. Nalay matsyag ni Don. Araso. Ara na sa. 61-66 para sa Puno. Jayan, ay si pala, lads mo. For Bonongaris. There's a ball. That's 63-68. Hoy kami ganito tayo. Ay. Free throw for Flores. Rebound for Salavante. To Flores. To Flores again. To Monserrate. There's a foul. Wait, pamiting pa.
Personal foul.
63-68 bonus throw for Salavante. Free throw for Salavante. First attempt, no good. Second attempt. Basket. Go, Idol Britan from Bidonia to Paslim. 64-68 para sa Punong.
Subtract 14. Subtract 5.
Abale for 3, 64-71. Balos seconds no after 3. 67-71.
Subtract
67-73. At kilig naman ang Ivan Carrel. Fourth na. Wow. Time out for Punong. Shout out sa mga cheerero. 67-73. 8 minutes 30. 8 minutes, bakit ah? Ano? 8 minutes. Go Dawn from Jelly. 67-73. Labandig Madama. Hey! 8 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter. Shout out kay Jules Perales. Ano kay Ronnie Lupo. There's a foul.
25, Joe Leo. Second, personal foul. Fourth team foul.
First attempt for Flores. Basket. 68-73. Second attempt. Basket again. 69-73. Ang ating score, fourth quarter of the game.
Shot clock 12. 8, 6, 4.
Uy! Foul! May next game ba? Yes, may next game pa kita. Trollers versus Copimuts.
12 team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 5.
Seal for Punong Garis. Time out, time out. Goal number 30, Britan.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
69-75.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 15 seconds.
7:15 remaining, 69-75. Yes, may next game pa kita. Trollers versus Copimuts.
Shot clock 12. 10.
Ay, there's a foul.
Number 17, personal. Second personal foul, fourth team foul.
First attempt, basket. 70-75.
Remaining time 7 minutes.
Second attempt, basket. 71-75 for Punong Garis.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 12. 5.
Wow. Shout out Michael Wright Prospero.
Foul 42, Monserrate. Third personal foul, fourth team foul.
Dulce on the free throw line. First attack, basket. Welcome back again. Second attack, wala. Rebound for Punong.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Go Punong from Donnelly Espinosa. Shout out Lemuel Maantos. Basket for Punong Garis.
Basket,
71-78. Bang! Salavander for 3, 74-78. Sinong warning? Dawn Marie Espinosa. Shout out kay 3D Lopez III. Hinay lang sa pagtumbok. Ayan na, from Kim Albert Magbanwa. Ari lang din inyo, Chilix po. Pass. Oh my God, 76, 78. 76, 78.
16.
Grabe, about. 3 points.
Cornell,
76, 81. Shout out kay ML Man, Sergio Ibanez. Go Puno from Carol Rodriguez. Pares para kay Joneo. Kaya na Puno. 5 minutes remaining.
15.
Claro, nasunod to rep ang Teresa. Ball for Puno. Go Puno from Gia Margaret Andrada Guevara. Offensive foul.
Number 17, Natasha, third personal foul. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
76-81 na si third Dio. 76-81. Tres Subol Monserrate. 79-81. Uy, ang idoon. But shout out sa ido na kasi no na ido. Hara naman tarip, kasugod na. Parang gamay sa nasa. Hara na sa Karel. Kaya po ng 79-81 ang ating score.
Pagkakta. 8, 6, 5, 2.
Wala. Basket not counted.
Remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
79-81 for Punong Garis. Shout out sa ido naglibay. 4-3. Ay! 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Go CPO from Maricar on Pisa. Still for Punong.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
79-83. What's Punong? Fight Punong ang array. Ang lechon. Ready na. 3 minutes remaining. Daog ang coach ang Punong.
And the 77, Manuela, third personal foul, penalty. Remaining time 3
Penalty.
minutes and 53 seconds.
79-83. Shout out sa coach ang Puno mag 2 points nga butterfly from John Paul. Castor on the free throw line. First attempt, wala. 79-83 for Punong Garis. Second attempt. Basket. 79-84 para sa Punong Garis. 2 minutes and something remaining.
Penalty.
79-84. Monserrate on the free throw line. First attempt. Shout out sa mga guwapo nga referee from Francois. Second attempt. Foul again. Pila ang score sa Puno? 79-84 para sa Punong Garis. Go Coach 30, I love you na dayon from Bunch Lopez. Basket. 80-84 for Puno. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Basket again. 81-84. Tatlo abase. Shout out kay Armando Flores Jr. from Landel. Basket. 3 points for Abale. 81-87. Still again, Mark.
Ball number 28, anak Leto. Remaining time 2 minutes.
81-87, 2 minutes remaining. Free throw for Britan. Basket. 81-88.
Remaining time 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Basket again. 81-89.
Just 18 seconds. Just 14.
There's a foul. Shout out Hernando Coha.
Ball number 15, Abale.
Wala, Lasmo Cariza, oh.
Second personal foul.
81-89. Shout out kay Maninoy, Ian Pinoel, kay Raiden Ardon. First attempt, basket. 82-89. Second attempt. Go Puno from Jelay. Foul for Anacleto. Shout out to Soy San Florida Luna from Lindell.
Remaining time 1 minute and 14 seconds.
1:40 remaining. Chugesha on the free throw line. Basta. 90-82. 140 remaining for Punong.
Remaining on 45 seconds.
Bye-bye, Puno from Carol, 85.
Remaining on 45 seconds.
May second game pa. May second game pa kita, Trellers versus Copy Mods.
Remaining time 45 seconds. 45 seconds.
Si Castor.
40 seconds.
40 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 12. 10. 25 seconds. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 10. 8. 6. 4.
85-93 ang final score. Congratulations, Punong Garis! Trollers, kikat Punong ang finals. Trollers versus Copy Mods. Best player din. Best player of the game, Juneo! Congratulations! Congrats guys! Punong versus Trollers ang ating finals. Thank you.